Do you want to add TikTok link to Instagram profile? You can put TikTok in Instagram bio with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a TikTok link to your Instagram profile, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button below your bio section. A new screen will appear with different options. On the Edit Profile screen, tap on the Links option. Here, you will see the option. Tap on Add External Link from here. Now, paste your TikTok profile link in the URL box. You can also add a title for the link in the title box if you want. After entering the link, tap on the Done button at the top right of the screen. Your TikTok link will now appear in your Instagram bio, and anyone visiting your profile can tap it to open your TikTok page.